the previous page. This is return to home page. This is the backstage. Are all currently open program windows. Click to switch to the selected program interface. Also can choose other page. This is a whiteboard writing program. Click to open the whiteboard. This is the file browser to open. You can view local files or USB disk files. This is all the program. Inside are all installed programs. This is an annotation program. This is the menu open. You can switch the signal source here. You can adjust the output sound volume below. Here you can adjust the screen brightness. Click to view the screen. Show detailed data for adjustment. This is tool inside. Are various commonly used gadgets for daily office work, such as countdown tools. Set the countdown time link. Click to start the countdown. A bell will sound when the countdown ends and close it. Split screen gadget. You can divide the screen into two spaces. Show different program content, for example, while displaying the demo file. Writing on a whiteboard on one side. Move the middle spacer bar. Different display ratios can be adjusted. Click to switch. To change the display content, that's all.